If you find your stairlift is unable to move when trying to use either the arm toggles or the remote controls, and the digital display is showing F1, then your stairlift has encountered what we call a relay fault. This fault can often be temporarily rectified by yourself, which means it will keep you up and running until we can send an engineer to provide a more permanent fix. The steps involved are very simple and straightforward, and we will show you them now. Lower the footplate if it's not already in the down position. Turn the keys from the 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock position to the 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock position. Depress the black rocker switch so that the little green light is off. The stairlift is now switched off and the digital display will be blank. We are now going to raise the footplate forcefully until it comes into contact with the main body of the stairlift carriage. Don't worry, you won't damage the stairlift. Repeat this process 3 times. Now turn the keys back to the 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock position and depress the black rocker switch until the green light comes on. The digital display will now be illuminated and active again. Now test the lift using either the remote controls or sitting in the stairlift and using the arm toggles. If the lift is working again or remains non-functional, call us to confirm that the F1 code has been activated and that you are either back up and running, having completed the process, or the lift is still not working and we will arrange for an engineer to attend.